Hi friends, we are going to do our first lesson in building writing, opinion writing, and I'm going to show you how to find it. So you start in your building writing, cursive handwriting, and spelling book. You open it up and you'll have this folder here, and then you will have like another page, a tabletop here. Then if you turn to the first little tab, you'll have another topic here, and this says building narrative writing. We're not going to do that actually until fourth quarter, okay? So you want to get to your second tab, and this is where we find opinion writing. So with one of my opinion pages, you should have two, I hope. I'm going to take one out, and I'm going to use my plastic sheet that I provided for you to help guide me on some of how I'm going to write, okay? Now for this lesson, I will tell you what you need to do for your assignment. Right now you just need to listen so you understand how we're going to do this in future lessons, okay? So opinion writing. Opinion writing tells how you feel about a topic and gives supporting reasons for your opinion. Okay, so I want you to highlight that. That's important. What is opinion writing? It tells your feeling, and you have to provide supporting details with it. Okay, I'll zoom down on that. All right. Okay, so we're going to learn how to do this. And they give us the topics, and the topics I can see is a dolphin and a shark. And it looks like the title could be, would you rather swim with dolphins or swim with sharks? Okay, so I want to grab my tabletop really quick, and it says title or topic way up at the top. So, and again, you do not have to write this, but you just need to pay attention. So with the question, and I'm going to take this out of my 3-ring binder because it's hard to maneuver this on my desk. So it says, would you rather swim with dolphins? Okay, so I'm going to write in where it says topic or title, would you rather swim with, and that's capital, this is my title, so swim with dolphins or swim with sharks? Okay, that's a big title. All right, so let's go on to the next part. Now they call this the topic sentence. The topic sentence. So, yep, it could be a topic sentence. But another word for a topic sentence is main idea. And you know our main idea is our table top. I think I misspelled that. There we go. Tabletop. Okay, so the topic sentence is another word for main idea, which we know is our tabletop. Okay, they say, I would rather swim with dolphins. Okay, I'm going to move this up. I would rather swim with dolphins. So my tabletop, or my main idea, we would write in my opinion. Do you see how it says in my opinion? In my opinion, comma, because that's kind of a transition part. In my opinion, I would rather swim with dolphins. And I have an end point. Okay, now I'm going to go down to the next part, and it says supporting reasons. Okay, supporting reasons. Dolphins are gentle animals. I could pet the dolphin up close while I am swimming beside it. I am not afraid of dolphins. Okay, so on our table, those are supporting details, which are table legs. So I'm going to write table legs. Those are our table legs. Okay. All right. So I'm going to write our transition word. We have to write that first, comma, dolphins are gentle animals. Second, comma, I could pet the dolphin up close. While I am swimming beside it. Okay, last, comma, I am not excuse me. I am not afraid of dolphins, period. Oh, sorry, I can't. You didn't see that. I'll zoom back out. Okay, here we go. Okay, do you see this? All right, get it centered again. Okay. All right, then they had a conclusion which says, this is why I would swim with dolphins rather than sharks. Okay, so they have, this is why I would swim. And another one that you could put are, these are the reasons. Okay, so in conclusion, which I have right here, comma, these are the reasons why I would swim with dolphins. And notice we restated our main idea sentence in our conclusion. Okay? All right, so in opinion writing, you're going to check off these. I wrote a topic sentence, or again, that's the main idea sentence. I wrote reasons, or those are called supporting details. And I wrote a conclusion. Okay? All right, so let's turn this over. And what you need to do here, this is where you get to write. So, would you rather see orcas in an aquarium? This would be an aquarium. Or in the ocean, in the wild habitat. Draw your own picture of where you would like to see orcas. Okay? So what I want you to do is circle what you want. Okay? I would want to do the aquarium. Okay, and so then you just draw. It doesn't have to be like, you don't have to do tons and tons of work. But what I would do is just draw however you want to draw. And then I think this will be me with my legs dipping in the water. Hopefully the shark, or not the shark, the orca won't bite. And then I have some nice fish here. Okay, and then my whale will be something like this. Mm-hmm. Have some white spots on them. Okay. Okay, so that's how I would draw my picture. Okay, and then I want to read these really quick. Can see them up close, so that's the first supporting reason why I would want to see them in an aquarium. The next supporting detail or table leg would be learn about them from staff. The third detail I would want is aquarium may be crowded with people. And I'm okay with that. So that is why I would like to be in an aquarium. If you want to be in the ocean, it says can see them in their natural environment, observe them from a boat or ship, and may not see them up close. Okay? All right. Nice job. And remember, we're going to use these tabletops throughout these building opinion writing lessons. So don't write on the white paper. You need to make sure you're always using this plastic sheet and a white dry erase marker, because you don't want to have to keep printing off more sheets. Okay? All right, kiss your brain.